Hello students, today we are going to start with part 7 of Solo model in which we will talk about golden rule steady state, a numerical example. Let's use a numerical example to see how the economy approaches the golden rule steady state. For this example, we assume that production function is y equals to k raised to power half times L raised to power half, and 10% of the capital stock depreciates every year. That means that the value of depreciation rate denoted by delta is 10%, which is 0.10. Clear? So this production function is given in the question per worker production function. We can calculate per worker production function by dividing this whole equation by labor force. So we will write y upon L equals to k raised to power half L raised to power half upon L equals to, this will become k by L raised to power half. In the next step, we can write this is our output per worker denoted by small y equals to, and this is capital per worker denoted by small k raised to power half equals to root k. So output per worker is the square root of capital per worker. This is our per worker production function. This one. At the golden rule level of capital, marginal product of capital equals delta. We know that at the golden rule level of capital, slope of production function equals to slope of depreciation line. In the next step, we can calculate marginal product of capital by derivating this production function with respect to capital per worker. So we will write dy upon dk equals to, delta is already given in the question as 0.10. Derivative of root k with respect to k will be 1 upon 2 root k equals to 0.10. In the next step, this will become 2 root k equals to 1 upon 0.10. Next step, root k equals to 1 upon 0.20. Next step, root k equals to 5. So our golden rule level of capital, which is k star gold, will be 5 square, which is 25. This is our golden rule level of capital. We can write golden rule level of capital is 25 units per worker. Clear? We can also find out the saving rate, the particular saving rate that will support this golden rule level of capital. At steady state, this equation is satisfied, right? So in the next step, we can write K star upon Fk star. So this will be written as under root K star, because Fk was under root K, equals to S, that is our saving rate, upon delta is already given in the question as 0.10. Next step, this will become root K star equals to saving rate upon 0.10. Next step, we have already calculated the golden rule level of capital as 25 units per worker. So we will write 20 under root 25 equals to saving rate upon 0.10. Next step, so the particular saving rate, that is S gold, will be 0.5. This is the particular saving rate that will support this golden rule level of capital, and it is calculated as 0.5. We can write consumption is highest when the saving rate is 0.5, and hence a saving rate of 0.5 produces the golden rule steady state. Clear? Thank you.